Hi friends, happy Monday. So today we are going to start our circle time video. So we always start with our hello song. So stand up and get ready. Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you reach up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you reach up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, can you stomp your feet? Hello, hello, can you stomp your feet? Can you reach up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, can you stomp your feet? Hello, hello, can you stomp your feet? Can you reach up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you wave hello? Okay, so that was our hello song. And next, Miss Shiva is going to read us a story.
Hi friends, welcome back to our story time. Today, now we have story time. Friends, this week we are going to do our spring theme and it's based on birds. So this book is from National Geographic Kids and it's Look and Learn. Splashy splash splash. The red bird takes a bath. Feathers keeps the bird warm. Touch the bird's feathers. These are feathers. The tall feathers on the top of the bird's head are called a crest. This is called crest. Chirpy chirp chirp. The bluebird sings a sweet song. Look at the beautiful bluebird. Birds chirp to talk to each other. This bird song sounds like sweet, sweet toot-toot. Say hello to the bluebirds. How many you see, friends? 1, 2. Hoppy hop hop. The yellow bird peeks into the leaves. Look at that. It's peeking. Birds hold on to branches with their feet. Count the yellow bird's feet. 1 and 2. This bird hops from branch to branch looking for insects to eat. It's looking for insects, friends. Yummy, yum, yum. The green bird finds a tasty treat. The father bird feeds his hungry chicks. Open your mouth wide like a baby bird. When a baby bird grows up, it will find its own food. Flappy flap flap. The colorful birds have beautiful wings. They're like rainbows. The bird flies high into the sky. Clap your hands for the flying bird. Can you clap your hands? A bird flaps it in its wings to fly. Look, it's flying. It's flapping its wings. Can you find birds by color? Can you find the red bird for me? Here, you're right. Can you find the green bird for me? I see it here. Can you find the blue bird for me? I think you got it, friends. Yes, that's the one. Can you find the yellow bird for me? You're right, it's at the top. Chirp, chirp. The end. Hope you enjoyed the book, friends. And now it's goodbye time. Miss Daniel is going to sing our goodbye song with you. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye.
Hi friends and families, I hope you enjoyed our story on birds today. We are going to sing our goodbye song together. Put your finger at the top. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time to go and play. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for a video coming later this week. We are going to take it outside and do a fun activity with you. See you later.